Welcome to Express Register. Today I'm going to show you around the general interface for Express Register as viewed by a operator. An operator is a person that'll work for the company that is using the software to issue the various documents out to their clients. So start by going through the dashboard. So the main menu at the top obviously shows you where you can go throughout the installation. So dashboards where we're going to start. We can go into the company section, the users, projects, archive, and you can view information about your account there as well. On the top right hand side it has a little message welcoming you, and you can log off as well. Okay. So below the main dashboard button you've got a few quick links. So these are there literally so that if you have to add a new company, a new user or a new project quickly, you can. It's just simple 3 steps to create a new details for the clients. So below that literally we have the top 10 recent project updates. So that shows you every project and the updates. All you've got to do is click on that, take through to the project, and you can see what's happening. Download the latest document issue sheet or download all the files, etc. So I'm just going to go back to the dashboard. Below that as well we have the top 10 recent document updates. So these are all documents that are related to projects that you're working on. If you click on one of those, it'll take you straight to the document. You can download the file and do various other bits as you're an operator. Okay, so I'll just return back to the main screen. Okay, back to the dashboard even rather than the project. Okay, so here as over time you'll get lots more projects in the system. There's a simple filter by project drop down on the right hand side, so you'll be able to see all your projects in there. You'll also be able to do a quick search at top right hand side to find your projects as well. Okay, so then moving on to the company section. This literally lists all the companies that you've been assigned in the company list. Okay. You can just simply click on any of those and it will take you through to the company. You've got various options: edit company, delete company, archive company. This all depends on your permissions that you have set for this particular company. There's a distribution list on the right hand side and any company members. If you need to edit that for whatever reason, you can just click on the edit button. You can add an extra person to the list, save changes, and then they've been added. So you can as well sort the company list by just clicking on any of the headings, and that sorts it alphabetically or numerically. Okay, so that's the company list section. Moving on to the users section. So here we have the ability to add new users or your clients as they are. You can also archive users from here. This interface works literally exactly the same as the company's interface. So you can click on a particular user, you can edit the user details, change their permissions, essentially manage that user. Okay, so I'm just going to return back now. You can also filter users via their particular company as well. Okay. So moving on to projects. Here we can add new projects, we can archive a project. Again, all the sorting works exactly the same. You can filter by clients as well. If I click on a project, it goes through, I get all the details for the project, I get all the latest documents below. And then also, this is probably one of the buttons that you use the most, is the add new documents button. Here you can, if you click on that button, you can upload all the latest documents that have been completed and issue them to your clients. You can click on the PDF issue sheet. This basically is your document register sheet. Unfortunately that's opened on a another screen, so I can't show you that just yet. But basically you can download the latest documents, you can download all documents, you can edit a project, delete a project, and archive a project. All depends on your permissions. Okay, so so right now we're last tab, we're going to have a little look at archive. So all these documents here have been archived. You can restore them if you like, simple restore button. You can archive companies, users and projects, so ones that you don't want to generally appear in the main interface over time, and that's all done there. Finally you have my account details, where you can update your details if you would like. Okay, there is a change password here as well if you'd like to do that. So there we go, that's the overview of Express Register as viewed by a operator. Thank you.